Like it?
Hey, Dicky.
So do you want me to feed you?
Careful, what you doing? Hi. Is Boogie feeding you? Boogie's so busy. She's feeding herself and the baby.
I might be Carrie's mommy when I grow up. Then a teacher, then a fireman.
Uh-huh. You can be both a mommy and something else at the same time.
Yes. Carrie's eating too fast. I can't have a minute to feed myself.
I know. Well, just take a minute to feed yourself. Caribou, who's feeding you? Who's feeding you?
I took 2 bites.
Nummy, nummy, nummy. Is Boog feeding you? Boog do, Boog do, Boog do.
Mommy, is it clear?
Yes.
Hey, you.
Boog do, Boog do, Boog do. You're cracking her up, Boog.
But I said it's not.
Daddy said it's not.
No. You She tipped me over.
Tip you over and pour you out.
You forget.
Num num. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.